Alright, so I gotta close my eyes, and whichever one I pick, I have to rate. The IRA alert. The IRA alert. The IRA warning. That is a 6 out of 10. Move to 6 out of 10! Alright, so we're gonna do the abandoned ship. Holy damn! That hurts my ears! Okay, that is a 10 out of 10! Wait, no, not this. Sorry. We're not rating that. Ohio nuclear alarm. It don't even have no sound, so it's 0 out of 10. All it just says it's words. Dallas Amber Alert. Okay, that's just the normal USA. That's just the normal USA! 1 out of 10. Egypt. No. I'm gonna do the close of my eyes thing again, and bam. Okay, that's a 10 out of 10 right there. A nuke from North Korea. Okay, I don't even have no sound. The ballistic missile from Russia.
Okay. His Majesty government has.
Okay, so that is a 7 out of 10. Mega Norway COVID-19 alert. Okay, that is really cool. So that's gonna go to the 11 out of 10. Hey, Dad! Oh, that's it. Goodbye.